Okay, we have two fans here. One is a 2009 Lasko. It's hard to adjust. Now, if you want to put it up like that, if you put it like that, well, I think I have a cat outside. And I'll let him in. Then I have my Super Deluxe fan. The only problem really with this one is the oscillator isn't too great. And this one has a better oscillator. That's the only advantage, pretty much. But this fan is a good fan nevertheless. It's used a lot. But this fan isn't used too much. But it used to be used in a warehouse. So it was just used a lot. It used to be used a lot, and the motor had a problem. The motor wouldn't turn too fast, so I oiled it and cleaned it, and it runs a lot better. So, and then there's a Lasko fan I'm borrowing. I'm fixing it, actually. The motor will turn, but it just needs the knob. It also needs cleaning. One second, let me let my cat in real quick. Okay, I can't let her out. Okay, and so that's the Lasko fan I'm borrowing. And this is my Super Deluxe and my Lasko. So let's start off with the Super Deluxe. Ooh, we're getting something. Let me move it over a little bit so it can catch more of the current. Wow, look at that. There's a nice one there. There we go. Move it up a little bit. And there we go. Blowing a little bit this way. Now, this fan is a very good fan. Now for the Lasko.
All 10s, which are off of you're delivering 10-0-1 0/24. So I'm all of those in that class C. I'm just throwing everything out of that. So yeah, it's still shot. It seemed like I was playing Rift last night and I got really bad latency, and then it just cleared up about 20 minutes later. And I was able to play, but my whole instance was shot because
Nothing? Any movement? Oh, I'm getting something. I'm getting something. I'm getting something. No. Nothing. On low. That's strange. The Super Deluxe blows more than the Lasko's. More air on the low speed, and this about as much air on low speed as for.
I hate the splitter. I hate it.
About as much as this one's high speed blows as much as that one is low speed. So That proves that they don't make them like they used to.